Heads up 18, vote for SB19 now on Japan Yusen. May isang walis na namang pakalat-kalat at heto, nagtawag pa na iboto ang iba para umano wala tayong maipagmayabang. Troll man ito o real bloom, knowing them hindi malabong ang gawin nila. Kaya mas higpitan at higitan pa natin, vote now for SB19 Moonlight on Japan Yusen. The link is pinned on the comment section. We only have 1 day to vote. Deadline is on April 13, 5 p.m. Philippine time. As of April 12, SB19 Moonlight is ranked at number 4 on daily ranking, number 4 on real time, and number 6 on weekly ranking. And also, reminder lang 18, nasa lockdown pa rin tayo. Don't engage, don't reply, just ignore and block. Focus lang tayo sa goals natin. Vote for SB19's Moonlight on Japan Yusen and keep on streaming them on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music. Hayaan na natin eto mga walis na pakalat-kalat dahil sa sobrang ingay, sa dami ng mga reklamo sa kanilang bakod, gusto lang nilang mandamay sa atin. Kaya 18, spend your energy wisely, spend it on SB19.